डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडेज टॉपिक इज़ रियल नंबर्स। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, रैशनल नंबर्स और इर्रैशनल नंबर्स मिल के बनते हैं रियल नंबर्स। आपने अपने 9th क्लास में रियल नंबर्स को नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना भी सीखा है। सो टुडेज टॉपिक इज रिविजिटिंग इर्रैशनल नंबर्स, और at the end of this topic you will be able to prove that the given number of the form under root n is an irrational number where n is a prime number. And the second one is you will also be able to prove the questions like 2 plus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. As in our 9th class we have studied about the rational numbers, irrational numbers, and we know that rational plus irrational total becomes real numbers. So दोनों मिलके real numbers बना रहे हैं। और you have done in your 9th class के हम number line पे कैसे represent करते हैं rational और irrationals को। Now हम यहाँ पे prove करेंगे under root 2 is an irrational number, जो कि हमने 9th क्लास में नहीं किया है। For this we will use the theorem if prime a divides p square, then it will divide p. Why? Because a is in the prime factors of p square. p square के prime factors में a है, तो p में भी होगा, then it will also divide p. So इस theorem का हम use करेंगे for proving this theorem under root 2 is irrational. For this proof we will suppose under root 2 is a rational number. Let under root 2 is a rational number, and if it is a rational number, then rational number is always in the form of p upon q. So we suppose under root 2 is equal to p upon q, where p and q are co-prime integers and q is not equal to 0. What are co-prime integers? Co-prime integers means p upon q. p and q, both the integers, do not have any common factor. No common factor except 1. उन दोनों का आपस में कोई common factor नहीं है. p upon q is in the lowest form. Now squaring both sides, we get under root 2 square is equal to p upon q square. 2 is equal to p upon p square q square. On squaring both sides, under root 2 square p upon q whole square, we get under root 2 square is 2, and then p square q square. Then after this we cross multiply this. 2q square is equal to p square. From this equation we get that p square is a multiple of 2. It means 2 divides p square and also 2 divides p. By the theorem which I have told before this theorem, that a divides p square, then a will also divide p. From this we get p is equal to 2 into r. Say r is any integer. Why it is 2r? Because if 2 divides p, means p is a multiple of 2. So we will substitute the value. This is our equation number 2. Put 2 in equation 1. We get 2q square is equal to 2r whole square, which is 2q square, 2 square 4, and then r square. Then after this we get q square is equal to 4r square divided by 2. 2 cut हो गया, and we get q square is equal to 2r square. Now this equation will tell us that 2 divides q square and also 2 divides यहाँ पे भी 2 डिवाइड कर रहा है p को और यहाँ पे 2 डिवाइड कर रहा है q को. इट मीन्स 2 इज अ कॉमन फैक्टर ऑफ बोथ p एंड q. बट हमने क्या सपोज किया था, p एंड q नो कॉमन फैक्टर, दे आर co-prime, which contradict our assumption. हमारी assumption थी, हमने माना था कि p और q co-prime है, मीन्स p अपॉन q लोएस्ट फॉर्म में है. बट यहाँ पे कंट्राडिक्शन हो गया. 2 is the common factor of p and q, hence our assumption is wrong and it implies under root 2 is an irrational number. So this is the proof. Dear students, this is very important. Again I am going to explain this. अंडर रूट 2 को आपने प्रूव करना है इरैशनल, और हमने सपोज किया है अंडर रूट 2 इज अ रैशनल नंबर. व्हाई? बिकॉज रैशनल और इरैशनल, देखिए आपके दोनों मिलके क्या बना रहे हैं, रियल नंबर्स. रैशनल का डेफिनेशन आप सबको पता है. इन योर 9th क्लास और इन योर लोअर क्लासेस we have studied p upon q is a rational number where p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0. जो नंबर p upon q की फॉर्म में नहीं होगा they are irrational. तो irrational के लिए हमें प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि ये नंबर रैशनल नहीं है. सो हम इसको सपोज कर लेते हैं कि ये रैशनल है. नाउ अगर ये रैशनल है तो अंडर रूट 2 इज p upon q एंड p एंड q आर co-prime integers हमने मान लिए हैं बिकॉज हमने इसको लोएस्ट फॉर्म में माना है. एंड q इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. देन आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्क्वायर both the side of this equation. We get 2 is equal to p square upon q square. After cross multiplication, 2q square is equal to p square. It shows 2 divides p square and also p. Hence we suppose that p is a multiple of 2 because 2 divide कर रहा है इसको, so it will take 2r and we substitute this value in equation number 1. So we get 2q square is equal to 2r whole square. So 2q square is equal to 4r square and after that q square is equal to 2r square. And from this step we get q is a multiple of 2. So 2 is a common factor of p and q both. And this step contradicts our assumption that p and q are co-primes. They don't have any common factor. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 common factor आया है, hence our assumption is wrong. And if our assumption is wrong means हमारी ये wrong हो गई statement. Under root 2 is a rational number, so it is an irrational number. Similarly, you can prove under root 3 is an irrational number. And under root 5 you can also is an irrational number. Just to replace 2 by 3 or 5. So on the basis of that theorem we will use here under root 5 is irrational. Under root 5 is irrational number. So we will use this to prove this question. Now prove. सेम स्टेप है हमारा. सबसे पहले हम वही सपोज करेंगे ऑन द कंट्रेरी दैट लेट 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. और अगर ये रैशनल नंबर है तो क्या होगा, 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p upon q where p q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. Now we'll solve this. 2 root 5 is equal to p upon q minus 3. I have taken this 3 to other side. Then 2 root 5 is equal to, we take LCM, so it is p minus 3q upon q and under root 5 is equal to p minus 3q upon 2q, where p, q, 2 and 3 all are integers. So numerator is integer divided by integer, and we have taken that q is not equal to 0. It means 2q is also not equal to 0. So this whole term, this become integer upon integer, and the denominator is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. This is a rational, so under root 5 is also becoming rational. So we get irrational number is equal to rational number, but it is wrong, which is not possible. हमने यहाँ लिया था under root 5 is irrational number. We know, we have proved this under root 5 is irrational, but from this step we get this is rational and left side is irrational. Irrational is equal to rational, which is not possible. Hence, our assumption is wrong, and 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. That's all, students, from this question. So now, students, your home assignment, you will prove these two questions. Prove that under root 5 is irrational, and the second one is prove that the following are irrational: 1 upon root 2, 6 plus root 2, and third part is root 2 plus root 5. Thank you, students.